What causes bloating in the stomach? Stomach bloating can also be referred to as abdominal bloating. Most people experience bloating at some point in their lives. Bloating can easily be prevented by making simple lifestyle changes. In this video, we'll cover common symptoms of bloating, what causes stomach bloating, and how to get rid of bloating fast. Abdominal bloating happens when one's stomach feels tight and full. The most common occurrence of this takes place due to buildup of gas somewhere in the gastrointestinal GI tract. Bloating makes the belly seem larger than usual, and it may lead to pain or a tender stomach. Usually, when bloating occurs after a meal, it tends to resolve itself. But in order to speed up this process, the causes of abdominal bloating and possible symptoms needs to be determined first. What are some possible symptoms? Some of the common symptoms of bloating include discomfort, stomach pain, and gas. This might lead to constant burping or belching. One may also experience abdominal gurgling and rumbling. Blood in your stool. If one finds blood in their stool, then it may be caused by stomach bloating. It is best to consult your family doctor before taking any medication. Nausea. This is one of the common symptoms. If you feel nauseated often, this may be because you are bloated. Vomiting. This may occur right after a meal or after some time. If you experience this symptom, then you might surely have stomach bloating. It is usually the body's way to find relief and express pain. Heartburn. If you have heartburn and it is getting worse by the minute, then this is another symptom that you may have abdominal bloating. Diarrhea. This is the body's way of finding relief. If you are experiencing constant diarrhea, then it's best to consult a doctor before your body flushes out all the necessary nutrients. Fever. This may be caused due to an infection, but this can also be a symptom that you have a bloated stomach. What can cause stomach bloating? The following can be the triggers for abdominal bloating. Diet. Not consuming enough fiber, having too much salt or sugar, and consumption of fizzy drinks may lead to a bloated stomach. Hormonal changes. Numerous people have experienced bloating before and during their periods due to water retention and hormonal changes. Digestive issues. Intolerances, food allergies, and constipation can lead to bloating. A feeling of discomfort and bloating may occur when the stool becomes backed up in the large bowel. The bloating can be worsened if excess gas also builds up behind the stool. Here are 7 ways you can reduce stomach bloating. Go for a walk. Physical activity can get the bowels moving more regularly, which can help to release excess gas and stool. Getting the bowels to move is especially important if a person is feeling constipated. A walk around the block or neighborhood can provide fast relief from gas pressure. So, get your best pair of walking shoes on and take a stroll. Cut down on sodium. An excess of salt causes the body to retain water. This can cause a swollen and bloated feeling in the belly and other areas of the body, such as the hands and feet. Before you prepare something to eat, always check the ingredients to make sure it's not overloaded with salt. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can help fight excess or long-lasting bloating. Giving the digestive system a long break of 12 to 14 hours can help prevent future bloating and help your system reset, so to speak. Try to have all your meals in a 10-hour period between 9 a.m. through 7 p.m. This can really help with bloating, and you'll even lose a bit of weight while looking leaner at the same time. Get more active every day. Exercise and activity helps your body move stool and gas out of the colon and may make bowel movements more regular. Exercise also releases extra sodium from the body through sweating, which can help to relieve water retention. It is vital to drink plenty of water before and after exercising to stay hydrated. as dehydration can make constipation worse. Replace juice and sodas with water. Carbonated drinks contain gas that can build up in the stomach. The carbon dioxide that makes soda and similar beverages fizzy can also cause bubbling and bloating in the stomach. Too much sugar or artificial sweeteners in your diet can also cause gas and bloating. So also watch your juice intake. Drinking water eliminates these issues and helps to treat constipation as well. Try yoga. Certain yoga poses can position the muscles in the abdomen in a way that encourages the release of excess gas from the GI tract. This can reduce bloating in the stomach. Even simple squats can help people to relieve a buildup of gas quickly. Avoid chewing gum. The sugar alcohols in gum can cause bloating in some people. Swallowing air while chewing also may lead to bloating and gas pain. Try using ginger mints or peppermints to freshen the breath. Ultimately, the outlook for bloating depends on the underlying cause. Most of the time, bloating is due to minor issues that simple lifestyle changes can resolve. You should see a doctor if bloating is ongoing or occurs with other symptoms. Determining the underlying cause of bloating and other digestive issues is the first step to getting treatment and feeling better.